All right, good morning, folks. Welcome from FlyMax Aircraft. We're excited to bring you our newest and latest aircraft. It's a 182S model, 1998. I just want you guys to think about it for a minute. Do you drive a pickup truck or do you drive a sports car? Well, I guess this theoretically would qualify for both, but I drive a pickup truck. That's the 182. The 182 is capable of doing about 145 knots in cruise, and if you can get the door shut, this thing will fly. It's got about 1,200 pounds of useful load, and you've got the Lycoming engine with 230 horsepower, brake horsepower. So again, that's going to give you about 145 knots, capable of around 13 to 14 gallons per hour of fuel. This is a great aircraft. We're excited to bring it to you. It's 146 November Echo. Be sure to check it out. We're going to do a YouTube video to follow. Be sure to subscribe below. There's aircraft coming every week, so make sure you subscribe below so you see what's coming before it ever even hits the market. Let's take a look.